In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Canva 2025. QR codes have become an incredibly valuable tool for sharing information quickly and efficiently, and with Canva, designing them is both simple and intuitive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to generate a QR code that you can incorporate into your designs, whether they're for your business cards, flyers, or any other personal projects. To get started, you'll first want to head over to Canva's website. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's a versatile tool for creating a wide array of visual content, from social media posts to powerful presentations. Once you're logged in and ready to go, you'll see Canva's dashboard. This is your central hub where all things design related can happen. Now, on the left-hand side of the dashboard, there's a menu with several options. You're going to look for an option labeled Apps. This section is home to a variety of features, and finding the right one can feel like discovering hidden gems in Canva. Click on Apps, and it will open up a whole new world of options. Next, you'll need to find the QR code app. Once you're in the Apps section, look for the QR code generator. Clicking on this will bring up a simple input form. It's designed to be straightforward, so even if you're not tech savvy, it will feel quite manageable. With the form now in front of you, type in the URL that you want your QR code to link to. This could be a website, a special landing page, or any online resource you want to direct people to. Entering the URL effectively is key because it determines where the people who scan your code will end up. Now that you've entered your URL, just below there's a button labeled Generate Code. When you click this, Canva will create your QR code almost instantaneously. It's really that simple. The generated QR code will appear on your design canvas, ready for you to position, resize, or even stylize as needed. At this point, you've created a functional QR code. You can now incorporate it into your existing Canva design projects or start a new one. Use it creatively to enhance your communication and make your designs more interactive. And there you have it. Creating a QR code using Canva 2025 is quick and easy with just a few simple steps. Whether you're sharing a link to your portfolio or a discount code for your online store, this QR code can be a powerful tool in your toolkit. Feel free to experiment within Canva to see just how seamlessly a QR code can fit into your projects. And remember, the possibilities are endless.